standing in this lonely place. Our love is in the end zone, but it's on the wrong side. I see you out there in a new uniform. I can't help but feeling a little bit torn. The crowd has gone silent, and the shirts have all died. You and my touchdown, my winning play, but now it's the end of the game. I was a boy you could claim. You were my end zone, thought you felt the same, but now it's a one-player game. You left me out in the rain. I'll see you.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone again. I hope you're doing well. So, if like someone's interested, this is Mid Canning guy. He's doing some sketches and interesting video, like with something unique that I have never seen before. So if you want to have a look, this is like his channel. Okay, let's get music. But look, how you can hear me? Do you hear me well? Yes, no? So today we're going to talk about preparation for the following week. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, like the stream, and also you can join our community. We have like a lot of that going on right now. We prepare like a lot of stuff for our trading like group. We're gonna run VIP section. This is like we also like announced our like roadmap, so if you're interested you can like see where we're going. This is something unique, nobody does it, and we're the first. Hello Ranidu, hello. So don't forget to like the stream, it will help other people to find it. So first of all, I hope you had like great weekend. And let's go. We will start like as always with cryptocurrency such as like Bitcoin and like rest. Then we're gonna like move to DXI, which is like dollar index. After it, we're gonna move to like Forex. So I will cover like basic pairs such as Euro, GBP, Australian dollar. And move like to indexes. Also, if we have like time, I will check US oil, gold, of course, and if you want, guys, I wanna also check. If you want me to check shares, this is a list of shares. Feel free like to message me. If not, I will skip it because I recently like stopped trading it. I trade only like AMD, Tesla, Microsoft, like Google and Nvidia. I don't like even like touch the rest, especially like Dow. Now let's begin. So what happened with BTC this week? As you can know, like from our group, we've been longing all the time. Like when everyone was scared too long, we opened like long position. I'm talking about general crypto, but when we see what's in this area, we like open long position. As you can see here, I have like still my personal trade open, and I'm in a good profit right now. It's like 1 to 2.5. My final target for BTC will be about like 43,500. Like why so? Because if we open like daily time frame, we will see a fair wide gap here, like even on the 3 days or like weekly. It probably will be on daily time frame. Yeah, we still have it. It's been tested, but it hasn't been like tested properly. And also we have like this liquidity, which will play, and as resistance, and we will like turn like back. We posted like some analysis on BTC. If you remember, it was like in fundamental analytics. Yeah, this one is like our like basically roadmap for BTC. This is what we expect in the next like 1-2 months. BTC will like go down, and like our area of interest where we start like building positions for our long-term portfolio for the next bull run will be around this area. This is like what at least like we expect. Can we close like can we like turn around here and like go lower? Yes, we can. It's like it can happen because we obviously have like downtrend on like daily time frame, and we have a huge fair value gap like on the weekly, like right here, and this is gonna be like target like before next like up. How long will it take to get there? Probably like 2-3 months in our opinion. Okay, so next, Ethereum, still a consolidation. It has pretty much the same picture, but what about like Ethereum? It shows basically it's index like for altcoins. So BTC it's like major index about the whole cryptocurrency. Ethereum is like it's more like index about like altcoins. You can still see like some altcoins like pumping, such as EFV, just like crazy. Like, don't trade like this, by the way. Don't trade this. LC and etc. But in general, like it's a bearish, bearish move. Like I see like bearish movement, like and bearish like weeks ahead. Maybe we will go like up, maybe we'll go like down. We're gonna slowly like go like down to like major zones, probably to like rebalance the price to 0.5 Fibonacci on a global. For example, this is a global move, and we can just draw Fibonacci here until Ethereum come to this area. I'm still bearish. When it comes like to like this zone, specifically to this like golden pocket, something like this, and then pump. This is like what I at least expect like for Ethereum. Now, yeah, like about EFM, it's just something that I noticed on crypto after like many years. I've been trading crypto since 2017, and I also know people that are using crypto to like avoid taxes, like wash money, but it's not about it. The thing is, like when you see price like going up and down like this, you basically can't trade it, because it goes up without like any reason and dumping crazy without any reason. Because when you see price action like this, you can predict like next movement. Yes, you can just put like some money and just like wait to the price to like pump. Okay, if you want to trade like this, to like do it, like you can just open CoinGecko, and here you go. Trade. You can select like any shitcoin or cake swap. Like you can just like trade like any like shit coin, like you whatever coin you like. You can do it, but in general, like I highly don't recommend like to trade it, because you will lose money eventually, and you can lose like a lot. Yeah, maybe you heard some cases like when people like made a shit ton of money trading like shit coins. For example, SafeMoon. What else, like Pepe, like Shiba, but it's like one case out of a million. Most of the people like lost money on like these projects. I'm here to tell you the truth about like trading and how to like make good income. I'm not like saying like I'm not the, and we especially like in a group, we don't say that you will make a shit ton of money. We are not scamming you and lie to you that you'll become a millionaire. No, we're telling the truth, like real truth. If you just open our like profit like results, if you wanna look our recap, as you can see, we have like win rate cryptocurrency 50%, but it's almost 8%. Like Forex like 70% for 4%. Like let's go like another month, for example, like September, 71%, 11% gain. On Forex we had like 36% win rate, we got like 2%. Yes, on stock market was like great months like for us, and we made like almost 10%, but with win rate 80%. So this is like real trading. We have average win rate. It can like be like in the range between like 30 till hello Enrique, hello, like 30 to like 80% of the win rate. But win rate, like in general, it's not that important, to be honest. It's all about like risk management and risk reward, like how you open trade. So if I open trade, just like basic math, if I have like a 1 to 3 trade, right, 1 to 3 trade. If I have like many trades, I need to have only win rate about like 33% or so to be like break even. If I have like win rate higher, like 50% with 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, I'm in profit. I'm heavily in profit if it's more than 50%. This is like basic math, like everything been counted already like for us. We just need to accept it and believe in it. That's it. Nothing more. Now we're gonna like move to DXI. So in my opinion, we're still bearish in the DXI because we need to feel like this parabolic, not parabolic, just gap that we have on the chart, and like we need to rebalance. Maybe we will take these highs, this equal highs. It's okay, let's say it's equal highs, but before that probably we'll see something like this. If not, we'll keep going like higher, and probably we'll take like previous monthly high before like rebalance like lower. But in my personal opinion, we'll have something like this. Like eventually, if we were talking like global, we will go higher. Like something like this, yeah. This is like 3 option I expected, like for DXI. But this the gap should be like filled. It always fills these gaps, always. It doesn't matter like what is going on, it's always like fills this gap. On like 4 hours, you can see it like on 4 hours, on a daily time frame. I don't think you can see it on the weekly. Yeah, you can see it on the weekly, but it's just gap here. This is this one. This one. Yeah, this still will have like a little gap here. Yeah, this one. Even on the weekly. 3 days. No. But yeah, I see this one. We just have this gap. Okay. Then, guys, don't forget to like the stream. It will help helping other people to find it. Now, like about like euro, I asked like Pavel, DPS, like to do like analysis on it. Okay. Okay, let me open it. Bum, 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 bum. Did I download? No. Let me see. Should be there. This one. This one. So globally right now we in the middle of the range. It's like 0.5 Fibonacci, and we have, as you can see here, we have buy side liquidity. This one, and we have buy side liquidity here as well. So if we open the chart, you can notice it, right? We have deviation right there and here. Okay, so like we have like two deviations. If we check, I'll just like mark this, like it's a huge range, by the way, huge one. How to identify it? I already showed many times on the stream. This helps us to identify it properly. So next, what we're gonna do? We right now like in equilibrium, right? We in 0.5 Fibonacci zone. We actually got the reaction of it. Almost got the reaction of it. What can happen is, like Pavel said and showed us on the chart, it can go to take this previous weekly low, this one, this is like previous weekly low, and it also will be one more low. Very important low, like in on this chart, right, on the euro. And if we go low, like we will take liquidity from previous weekly low. It will be previous daily low. We will test 0.5 Fibonacci, where we'll like start like building position to like go like higher. And I can move like everything up here. And then we will go higher to take liquidity from these highs, from these highs. And we also will create like setup. This pattern calls 3 top setup, which is like extremely powerful, and I've seen like many times how this pattern like just like reversed and market went to another direction. Just when I saw like this pattern on the chart. Let me show you this. I have a video about it. Let me see. This one. I have this video. Let me send it to you. Yeah, so this video, like you can watch it, and you will see how this like pattern works and why this happens, and like why it eventually like turns like market in other direction. Also, you probably heard like pattern like head and shoulders, right? Like this. like it's reverse head and shoulders and classic head and shoulders from classic technical analysis. Can it happen here? Probably, but I will put my money that will go like down and then up. But again, I always looking like for weekly open because it's a bottom level. As you can see, like in the previous week, and especially like on Friday, we've been playing around like weekly open, probably since Tuesday, right? So like weekly opened here, we open here, and we hang around like around weekly level. We've been like going like we went up and down, we've been going like at this level, in testing this level for like many like hours, and been stuck in it there like for like many days. Now British pound, like in my opinion, like way stronger than euro for some reason. I don't know like why, but it still has like some liquidity because we didn't test this equal lows, and more likely we will test this like previous weekly low, or like in next week it will be a low from Wednesday 17th, right? And also we have fair value gap here that hasn't been tested properly. Let me mark it. It's been tested only once, but usually it rebalances fair value gap. Fair value gap usually is rebalanced to like at least 25-50%. Let me show you. Let me show you that we haven't been tested this fair value gap like properly. Where is it? Where's my 125 zone? As you can see here, see, it has to like test this 0.25 zone. Yeah, so this checklist in my head basically. Let me tell you this like checklist like really quick. So first, like what I wanna see when I'm analyzing, like for example, let's like check the light, right? It's like so fucking shit. It's like crazy company. Look at this chart. What you can see. No, not the light. Let's say. Yeah. Fuck. Not bad, to be honest. I wanna like find some really shit. Yeah, Beyond Meat, for example, or HD. I don't like HD, for example. Well, it's like trash. Fuck. Snapchat. Yeah. So when I open a chart, I wanna see clear black price action, because this obviously, what you can see here, is not that great, right? I want to see something like AMD. You see, like this is clean. You can identify swings. You can identify swings on a daily time frame, right? You can identify swings. You can see them properly. Price action is very clean. Look at this. So we have, for example, this like low, right? This one. Then we have like this one was lower high. Then we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Next, we still like didn't form higher high. We're still like forming it. Can we say this is higher high now because it didn't break this level? Somewhere we can see higher high. Can we see it here? Questionable, because it should be like 3 like candles. I want to see like clear price action. I don't want to see like some shitty price actions that I showed you like on Snap, right? Or like this one. Can you trade this one? Probably yes if you're scalping, but I don't like to trade like this. Open the euro. You see like clean price action. We're going up and down. If we go on a lower time frame, like for example 4 hour, 1 hour, yeah, you see, we have it clean, but ideally you have to like open. Yeah, look at this, look at this one. If you go like on like 4 hour, like 1 hour time frame, it was so clean to trade. Same here, look at this, like pump, we've been consolidating, breakout, pump, consolidating, breakout. Here we've been consolidating. This is like downtrend. But if you go on low time frame, you will see how like clear this is, etc, etc. You have to identify a set that will suit you and that has clear price action, so you can like trade it properly. Fuck, I removed like this from my watch list. But yeah, for example, I showed it like at the beginning of the stream. Look at this. How can you trade it? So this was obviously consolidation. Yes, you just, if you investor and trading spot, you can like trade this. You just like buy it because it's obviously consolidation. This manipulation was a signal to buy, and your target would have been like this one. This is like your trade. If you like hold like position for like some period of time. Here specifically, it has been, for example, you bought here almost a month. If you're okay to like hold this position or almost a month, it's fine. But in general, like I don't like to hold coins like this because they can be scammed. It can easily just go lower to like $400 or even like scam completely. But it is what it is. For like day trading, I prefer trade like euro and gold. Gold because it has like some specifics. This one. It's like it was web trading by the way. So gold has some specifics, but still it has like really good like price action, especially if we look on the left side. This one was really clean, and also I've been longing gold like from here, and it was a really nice pump. I also remember how I long gold like from this level, and if like people been following stream for quite some time, this is like when I said to buy gold, because it was like major fair value gap, major like point of interest zone, like where we've been looking for one position. So when I like get a set, this is like what I need. Also, if you can see right now on the gold, like if we're forming like a shit ton of liquidity, so and we already have like one touch, one low. Oh, this low. We have like one more touch, and let's say we have like one more touch. And we also built a shit ton of liquidity on this like triple highs. Can it pump like next week? Probably can. but I'm really worried about this equal lows. This is like my concern about them, and the huge fair value gap like on a daily time frame around like this area. I'll mark it right here. Somewhere like this, and price like, and also within a huge range like on the gold. If we open like weekly time frame, let me show you. This is a range on the gold, right? We just had deviation, so this was deviation. And this was deviation. Usually when we have like this picture price usually rebalance about around 0.5 Fibonacci. This is what we saw on the euro. 1 second. This is what we saw on the euro. So this equal lows in the discount market, right? 1 second. The wrong direction. Okay. This one. So, and this like fair value gap. Let's say this one. Right. And this golden pocket. This is what I noticed like in the gold when we see this price action. It can just nuke down, and based on the XI, it's probably what will happen, because the XI like affects gold like heavily. Will it go there? I don't know, but I know like one thing, that gold always feels its like fair value gaps. Maybe we will test only this fair value gap, which is exactly in equilibrium. Also, just to identify like range, look at this. All like volume like in the middle. So in my opinion, it's accumulation before like next pump. It's like whack of 2. No, yeah, whack of 2. And before like next leg up, we have to rebalance to equilibrium. This is a global picture. If we will open, it's what we will see like inside the wick, right? So you can see like inside the wick. I see like equal highs. This one, and we've been like tested. We don't have like any liquidity lower except this previous month's low. We don't have like any liquidity like lower except this one. Yeah, we have like it lower to like 90.72 and so on, but we might like keep going like higher, like, and this will be like first target. That's why like I'm a bit bullish on the gold next week. This is a final picture, by the way. Look at this. Like on the Thursday, we took this low, right? Here we didn't take it. But yeah, this is funny. Look at this. This is funny. Yeah, don't forget to leave a like. If we're talking about like spot gold, which is this one, right? This is spot gold, and futures. On the futures, low been taken, but on the spot, it hasn't been. And this is like little dissonance, because when I see this chart, which I have open, I'm I'm confused because it can go up, it can go down. It has like two directions. But when I see futures, I'm bullish. So keep in mind. Just to clarify, liquidity, it's basically like orders, like stop orders. When you open a trade, if you like not dumb guy, you won't like control your risks, so you will put like some stop. Like every technical analysis that I know like classic technical analysis, I know like vertical spread analysis, I know like bar analysis, what else I know, like I don't know, like smart money concept. I even like tried, I didn't understand it properly, but I tried how it goes, fuck, I don't remember how it goes, like perfection, like perfection analysis, something like this. It's really complicated stuff, but all like in all this analysis, you like have like one thing in common. They teach you like to put your stop. You put your stop where? Like under important swings. Am I correct? I hope so. Like you can tell me if I'm wrong. So you put your stop like under like important swings. Usually open like 1 hour, like 4 hours. It doesn't matter. You put your stops like under important swings, and by doing this, you're creating like liquidity pool. Not only you, like every trader, like creating, like putting their stop orders like under or like above the low. Depends. Let's say like under. Let's consider like long position, right? Before like next move, like so price always goes from one liquidity pool like to another one. That's why you see like such a major reaction. For example, here you see we got a crazy reaction because a lot of like traders put their stops when they try to long, because people are fucking greedy. It's not enough for them to close their position when they got like 7 or 8% on the gold, right? Even like 3.5%, that's crazy for gold. No, they wanna, I don't know, like 100% on the gold, maybe 200% on gold, and they put their stops like under major like loss. That's why we can see all these like reactions when price takes major liquidity levels, major swings, and then price like reverse like crazy. This is like where when I trade, I look at this like levels. This is like what important. This is like what important like for you when you trade. You see important swings. That's why when you open chart and you can see like this price action where you cannot see like swings. That's why I said it's impossible to trade. When you see proper price action, when price goes up and down, in like and a set has structure, then you can like predict like where price to go, and the price always goes like from like one liquidity to another one. When you see price went up like this, right? Let me use like this tool, it's a bit better. When you see price goes up like this, then you see the trend changed, and price will be always try to take important liquidity before next move. So a lot of people been trying to long this movement, right? Then some stop orders will be activated. More accurate will be this like picture, right? This will be more accurate. This is what we see usually on the chart. See, every time we've been taking liquidity because we need some fuel. I also explained all of this, by the way, in this video. I explained like everything you need to know about liquidity. This one, and this is something that you have to like consider when you trade. Oh, it's been already like 40 minutes. Okay, and now we talk about like US oil. So this is like a perfect example. See, every time price took like major liquidity, and we got some reaction of it. So look at this. We got this equal highs and this important swing. We got like this candle. Price like instantly rebounds, and this was signal that we're going to go higher. So like next target for like oil will be this highs. Will we rebalance? Probably we can like rebalance, we can like pull back like this, but final target will be this 70, like almost like 80 bucks. This one. We also can consider like some like major zones such as fair value gaps. Again, watch like free video that like I made. I spent a lot of hours, guys, to make this video, and I tried to explain like complicated things properly. When people said trading is easy and you can just like press like buy and sell and make money, no, they just been lying to you. It's not that easy. If we're not talking about technical analysis, it's more small part. It's about like 20-30% of what you need to know. The hardest part is just the emotions, because when you open like huge positions, and when you don't, like for me especially, the hardest part is just not to overtrade. This is the hardest part, like for me, and I found a way to control it. But you have to know like yourself, like when you trade, you have to know yourself, and you have to know your like weak and like strong sides, and what's your weakest side. So are you like over trade, so you have like a lot of open trades, because proper amount of trades about like let's say like 4, 8, not more than 10, right? This is like human nature, that we cannot like concentrate for a long time, especially men. We cannot concentrate for a long time. If you have like some mental disease, yeah, you probably can't concentrate for a long time. They sit like hours and hours, and and you won't be tired. But in general, I'm talking about like general person right now. So this is like if you wanna open oil trade. This, it's $160 stop per contract, and not a great risk reward ratio. So we can just go on lower time frame, and probably we will, if we will see like some reversal here. If we see some reversal, probably we will find like better entry. So if I see something like this, this is gonna be like my entry, like this. You see, like my stop, like I decreased my stop by like 3 times. This is not what my trade will be if I see something like this on oil. But I can just go like up. Okay, so probably that's it. We covered Forex, crypto, gold, indexes. Yeah, indexes. Indexes. So like about indexes, I still think we will go higher here. So something like this. Will it? We'll have like some major reports next week, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Microsoft problem. Yeah, we have Microsoft on Tuesday. Google. Apple. Oh yeah, on Thursday. Nvidia no. Tesla already had. By the way, they had like the really nice report, but their guidance was trash. Same with Intel. You see, they crashed like reports. They crashed it, but price like went down. This is because of their guidance. They don't expect. So this is like very. If you open some. Yeah, thank you. The thing is, if you open specification and open like data about like this company, Intel, like one of the best company on the market in my opinion. Just like fundamental analytics, like they have like great analysis, like they have like great reports. Like this company is like, if you wanna find like ideal company and this is what you want to compare to, this is like your choice. And even they said they expecting less like revenue, and they also decreased dividends. It was 0.3 cent, like 30 cents or 33 cents, and they paying 0.1. So they paying like 13 cents, right? So they decreased like dividends like by almost like 3 times, right? It's quite a lot. It's quite a lot. So I don't know what to expect. Probably we will see growth like next week, at the beginning of the week, and then based on like reports, because we have like major reports on Microsoft, Google, what else? I don't remember. Apple probably too. Yeah, like Microsoft, Apple, and Google. It's almost like 20% of Nasdaq. So we can see probably something like this, like during the day, and after bell we will see like this candle easily. I don't like to trade indexes much because they're extremely volatile like these days. But what I can see now, I can see like a lot of liquidity. This is what I see. I have this like equal highs. I can see like these highs. Maybe like what can happen, we can just like go, like take like previous daily low and reverse and go higher. Because on Monday we don't have like any news. Something like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this stream, join our Discord, link for it you can find below in the description if you can click it. If you cannot, because we have like for some reason YouTube just like reset our how it goes, some improved options. So if you don't have like a link, this is like a link like for our Discord. And have a great trading week. If you have any questions, feel free like to ask in the Discord. I and guys like always happy to help. Okay, same. Bye.